I will come next week. I will come next week. Once again, I will come next week. For example, you are with a friend and you tell him or her, I will come next week. In Luganda, you are going to say, Inja kujja, I will come. Inja kujja, wiiki ejja. Inja kujja, wiiki ejja. Good. Next month is my birthday. Next month is my birthday. Omwezi ogujja, next month. Omwezi ogujja, mazaalibwa gange. Once again, omwezi ogujja, mazaalibwa gange. So birthday is mazaalibwa gange because of my birthday. Mazaalibwa gange. Good. What's your suggestion? What's your suggestion? This comes from what is. So it's contracted to what's. Kino kiva mu what ne is, is. So tukifunza ntufuna what's. What's. It's what is or what's your suggestion. Suggestion is ekiteeso oba endowooza yo. So what's your suggestion? Mu Luganda tugamba ekiteeso kyo ki. Ekiteeso kyo ki. So what is your suggestion is ekiteeso kyo ki. Good. Number 4, we have a good day. You wish your friend a good or fantabulous day. You're going to say, have a good day. Have a good day, Peter. Have a good day, Ben. So have a good day in Luganda tugamba beera n'olunaku olulungi. Once again, beera n'olunaku